A test script is an essential tool in software quality assurance, and it is primarily created by QA testers, manual test engineers, and automation engineers. These roles are responsible for creating test scripts because they specialize in understanding how to verify software behavior, how to detect defects, and how to ensure that every requirement is correctly implemented. QA professionals are trained to think critically about user actions, edge cases, system responses, and potential failures, skills that make them the most suitable team members to design detailed and reliable test scripts. Developers and business analysts may help clarify requirements or define acceptance criteria, but the responsibility for creating the actual test script falls on QA because testing is their core focus and expertise. It is the responsibility of QA testers and engineers to create test scripts because they act as the final line of defense before the product reaches real users. Their job is to ensure that every function behaves as expected, and they cannot rely on assumptions. They must rely on structured, repeatable steps. A well-written test script contains specific instructions, expected results, preconditions, and data inputs. Creating these scripts requires careful analysis, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of testing techniques, areas where QA teams are specifically trained. If other roles, such as developers, wrote the scripts, bias could occur because people who build the software often overlook their own mistakes. QA teams provide an independent, objective perspective, which is crucial for finding real issues. QA also creates test scripts because they are accountable for maintaining testing consistency and traceability. When multiple testers work on a project, or when testing happens across different iterations, environments, or releases, test scripts ensure that the same steps are followed and the same quality checks are applied. This consistency protects the organization from defects that could slip through due to inconsistent testing. Additionally, QA is responsible for supporting regression testing throughout the product's lifecycle. Having clear and structured test scripts allows them to quickly retest features whenever new changes occur. In short, QA owns the responsibility of creating test scripts because they are the experts in validating software quality, identifying risks, and ensuring that every release is stable, safe, and ready for users.